take you over, you just can't breathe.
Hey guys, today we have a gorgeous look. So we're going to start off with a primed eyelid, which is especially important for this pink cut crease. You need that white eyelid, especially for the pop of pink that we're doing here. I like to use white concealer as a base, especially for these kinds of neon colors where you want the giant contrast. So you're welcome to build it up or let it be as subtle as you'd like, but I wanted this to be like Barbie to the extreme. So now taking my white concealer, I'm going to spend way too long trying to perfect this, especially because we're putting silver glitter on top. So it doesn't need to be perfect, but it can't be just a mess. So just try to make it to the best of your abilities, but if you can't get it perfect, no worries. Once you finally stop obsessing about how perfect you think it needs to be, like me, then you can start to kind of blend in that white concealer and make sure everything is all covered so that the glitter will stick. Okay, please be careful with glitter around your eyes. It can damage your eyes, so please just do your best to be careful and don't do anything stupid. But I personally really like using glitter on fun eye looks like this because it does create a nice pop of color. But like I said, please, please, please be careful. You do not want to end up scratching your corneas. That would be real bad, especially since it's just for an eye look. And don't use craft glitter, use cosmetic glitter. So I'm just taking a bit of toilet paper and trying to clean this up to the best of my abilities. Then taking some liquid liner, I'm going to try to make a nice cat eye here, but I'm going to have to go off camera here in a moment just because I was struggling a little bit to kind of get a nice line on camera for you guys. Okay, now that I've given up on showing you how to do it on camera, I'm going to go put lashes on, since it'll complete this lovely Barbie look. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I cannot wait to see you guys try this.